Hello, I just wanted to show off our 3D printing shop here. There's our gumball machine over there. But let's go inside. Okay, so this is our keychain rack. We have a lot of different keychains here. Oops. We have clickers. Oops. And then over here, we have, those are plants for decorations, but we've got wood burnings. These are all from Burning Creations. He has this whole rack of ornaments here, and then keychains, coasters, and over there, he's also got magnets, which I'll show off. He's got these cool dice. Those are cool. And then we have this whole shelf right here as soon as you walk in. So yeah, lots of stuff. It's kind of all over the place. We've done like more organized in the past. An avocado toast clicker. Over here we have filament. This is for local people and it's quite popular. Over here, this printer messed up, but we do have printers running when they want to work, and most of them have names. This one's Kyle. Stickers, bookmarks. There's little 3D printed plants. There's our dinosaur, so that's somewhat organized. That dinosaur fell. This is our Be Your Own Valentine soap. She's a local soap vendor. So we have her stuff. This one smells amazing. Here's a print that just got done. These are like little flexi starfish. That one has not been started yet. These are our magnets. I just realized that we just got more frogs in. And so those are all wood burned magnets from Burning Creations as well. Over here, there's a lot of different stuff on this shelf. And then down here, this is our mini bin. We have so many different minis in here. Like, there's cheese. This is a bat. Lots of things in that bin. These little mini dragons are pretty popular. This is our $3 bin. More cheese. There's a lot of different stuff in here. These little fidgets. This is the $4 bin. The $5 bin has, these are new tarantulas, but we've got the flamingos. These mermaids are new. This is our $6 bin. It's pretty full right now because we've got these little crabs in there, but there's so many different types of things in this bin. It's full. And then at the bottom there's some old advent calendars, but there's some of our dragons kind of crammed down there. This is our earring rack. These are all 3D printed. Oops, there we go. That was kind of quick. We have our hummingbirds. There's another dinosaur. This is the clicker bin. We have clickers scattered all around, but these are just some of them. Here's another earrings rack. The cows. And then these are earrings by Style by Sam. So she's another local consigner. Lots of stuff there. We have these tutus by Unicorn Fluff. She's local. Over here we have mystery bags. These are mystery bags for our consigners. And then these down here are all 3D printed mystery bags. These are little paint kits, so people can get just a white 3D print, and then we include a paintbrush and some paint. Over here we've got crocheted animals. I love all of these. This penguin is adorable, and it's pretty big. Those are more crocheted animals. Those ones are from Violet's Cozy Corner. These are from Zay's Sweets. This slime is from Cora's Slime Shop. We're reorganizing a little bit, so there's some stuff in baskets. These are all down here, candles, wax melts, all of that. These are all from Brookhaven Candles. Have some pictures there, more 3D prints. And that's filament overstock down there. We have dice, 3D printed dice, more 3D prints. There's several dice towers. There's some crystals and rocks and things. Yeah, that's our store. There's more 3D prints. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll post more later.